Swoop today. Let's see what we can find on clearance. I'm in the store today and I swooped all these ones. The Forest Waterfall. Got a couple more bikes and a couple more Super Mario sets for the Bricklink store.
So here's what we were able to swoop from the shelves that were on clearance. There wasn't much left by the time I got to it, but anyway, these were the only sets that they had on clearance. The Luigi's Mansion, Super Mario Boss Sumo Bro Topple Tower, Dory's Beachfront. They had a bunch of these forest waterfalls. There was a bunch of these forest waterfalls, and there's a story on those in themselves. The Wildlife Rescue ATVs, and 3 left of the stunt bikes that were called the selfie stunt bikes. And that was it. So that's what we were able to swoop. And there I am standing atop of the pile. But anyway, yeah, so there's what we were able to swoop for our Bricklink store. And these parts will all be listed in the Bricklink store. I think what I'm going to do is end up putting one set of the stunt bike, one set of the forest waterfall in as the small sets, and the ATVs and I break up for parts, and all the Mario sets will be broken down for parts and for minifigs. So if you're looking for some parts or some minifigs, the Super Mario line, visit the store, link in the description below. Anyway, talk to you guys again in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and help us get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost there. Help me get there. Tell all your friends and subscribe. Thanks.